Paul Okoye must break up or divorce the wife. Ladies and gentlemen, the information when they reach me and I say Paul Okoye and Anita Okoye say the marriage will not work. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I don't know when I will upload the video, so anytime when you see I'm just going to say I get respect and I greet you. Ladies and gentlemen, they say when you want to marry, may you open eye. Some women are wife, some are knife. It depends on who you marry. Ladies and gentlemen, listen very good. They say when you want marry, open your eye. Every man has 3 major points in his life. 2, we not know. Now only one I will get authority and power over. You don't know the day you come into this world. That is the day they born you. You don't know the day where they come out. These 2 days God hand. The day you marry or the woman you marry, now we know. It's there our hand. When you want to marry who you know say he go fit support you. Because the information what they get now, there where I do one video before, they beg Anita and Paul Okoye, say please you people should come back. But now the information reaching me and I say Anita don't charge them to court don't grant them. Say they can go. Not be saying at their end, when they hear the things will happen, I shock. The woman said the man, no, they get time for him again. I say no, very bad. Recently, you say, the Mapa say, if you hear from Goliath, it is good, you equally hear from David. Now David has spoken. Paul Okoye has spoken. At the end now say, Paul said the woman, no, they give him normal this thing now. The woman no, they give him. Why? Say not do what the woman talk. What the woman talk? The woman say, make him sack him manager, then make him brother, her brother, a manager. Hey. Now what even shocked me, he said when they follow the husband, they travel all the show where they go, anywhere where they go, they want to follow him. Madam, you are not rude girl. You are a wife to rude boy. You stay at home. That is one. He say Peter and Paul, they want to do reunion. They want to come back as P-Square. You understand? The prayer where they pray since. The woman said that Paul should not attend the reunion event or party. Man, call like that. She may not go. Because a rude boy not here, and she say they go break up. I hear say the woman leave the family. He denied Paul of his rights. Night rights. You know what I mean? Now, married men, you know what I'm talking about. Even some of us who never married, we know all these things. We do. Night rights of a married woman. He say Paul, he not go give him again. Paul beg him. Even report and give Jude, his elder brother, wife. So may help me beg him. That one talk to him, he say, for where I not agree. Now Paul say, okay, before he go die of starvation. Starvation of the Wodigo. You understand me now? Now Paul go quickly get one side chick. Yes. In your get the side chick, now rent house for them. Instead of them to go hotel before waiting go up to Tega. Abu to them. Now he rent house for them. Keep on there. So anytime he hungry, he go there, go eat. Now the woman say he dey sleep with anything where he see. Say he sleep with house girl, he sleep with house anything, he sleep with girl side chicks. Madam, this one now don't vex me. Before I dey pray say you people should come back. You people should. Madam, if you don't want to come back, get out. Paul na Igbo, the wife na Igbo. See what you they do. your brother, una fair be brothers, marriage come make una one. Madam, your sense they pain you are not lying, truth to God. Now, what if the first man I said the law? They said the man, Paul Okoye, go they pay the woman 7.8 million every month. You won't kill you. You can't dodge it. Even if you give that, madam, I swear to God who made me, that money, they'll freeze your account. Anonymous go collect that money for your account, or go kill you. As if you say you don't want to use your head, you don't want to use your head. You don't eat that money. Hey, if that money to buy anything, in one indomie, one egg. You say you want to go see your brother for US. I mean your sister for US. You carry the children. Go US. You not go the sister house. You go meet your ex-boyfriend with children. Now, they do, children go they look you. They do, children go they look you. Oh, go kill you. Paul pay una surprise visit for the US. Reach your sister house, they not see you. They not see you. They go bust you for ex-boyfriend house. Today now you come, they say. The problem I have with this, with the law firm is this. When we take action, when we take actions, we don't consider the man. We only consider the women. If they do anything against woman, people will say, no, justice for her. If they do man, the same thing. People will say, nah, man. Nah, man. Madam, I don't know what I want to tell you, but listen and listen very good. If all these things, when they say you do, you really do them, it's not better for you. It's not better for you. Madam, not vessel, with all due respect, like brain jotter. With all due respect, it's not better for you. Truth to God. Madam, if everything when they say you do so, you do them, I swear to God who made me, it's not better for you. Madam, I have two brothers, twins, come out from the same belly, say they want to reunite, may they come back, give us joy. You say, may not try. Madam, truth to God who made me, it's not better for you. Truth to God, I swear. It must not better for you. You go see. You go see. 8.7 million being 7.8 million. You go eat and you'll belly food, but not worry. You'll see what the money will do you. Say every month for a year. That is 90-something million. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Mona share this video. Yes. Now, even if you not hear everything what talk, hear this one now. They say this train where they do now, where they from Warri come those states border. And they hear now say kidnappers they go wait for the train station. See, as people just they highlight that they kidnap them. Government, I use God beg una mona put security men there. They want to say me they put security men there. If bandits we enter security NDA go kidnap security men, we are not secure. In short, we wanna put like 16 pastors there, like 12 Suleiman, 3 Pastor Chris and others. Now God they save us for this country, but use God beg una if not vigilante, mona find put for the place. May God bless una. Thank you and God bless you. My name is MC Love Doctor. Peace here.